How does one physical server host many virtual servers? Imagine a single powerful computer that can act like many smaller computers at once. That's what happens when one physical server hosts many virtual servers. It might sound like magic, but it's all about technology called virtualization. Virtualization lets one physical machine split into multiple virtual environments, each running its own operating system and applications. This is done with special software called a hypervisor, which is like a traffic cop for resources. The hypervisor sits between the hardware and the virtual servers, deciding how much CPU power, memory, storage, and network bandwidth each virtual server gets. Think of the hypervisor as a manager that divides the server's resources into separate compartments. Each virtual server, or virtual machine, feels like it has its own dedicated hardware. It can run its own programs, host websites, or store data without interfering with the others. This setup makes it easy to run many virtual servers on one physical machine, saving space and money. Instead of buying many servers, a company can use one powerful server to do the job of many. There are two main types of hypervisors. The first is called a Type 1 hypervisor, which runs directly on the physical hardware. It's super efficient and offers high performance. The second is a Type 2 hypervisor, which runs on top of an existing operating system like Windows or Linux. It's more flexible but adds some extra overhead, which can slightly slow things down. The hypervisor manages resources dynamically. If one virtual server needs more CPU or memory, it can be allocated on the fly. This flexibility helps optimize the use of hardware, ensuring that no resources are wasted. It also makes it easy to create new virtual servers or move existing ones between physical servers. This process is called migration and is very useful for maintenance or scaling up. This technology is the backbone of virtual private server hosting, which many web hosting providers use. They run many virtual servers on their powerful physical servers in data centers. Each acts like a dedicated server but at a lower cost. This makes hosting a popular choice for websites, applications, and online services because it's flexible, cost-effective, and reliable. Understanding how one physical server can host many virtual servers helps explain how the internet and web hosting work so efficiently today. It's a smart way to make the most of hardware, improve scalability, and keep services running smoothly. Virtualization is what allows data centers to serve millions of websites and applications around the world, all from a few powerful servers.